I wanna demonstrate you how to make a random number generator in Premiere Pro. Let's go! To start, you need to go to the Essential Graphics and create the new layer. Let's select the vertical text, then double click on the text and let's write the numbers. Of course, you can also change the size of the text and the color based on your preferences. Adjust the location of your number, go to Effects and write Gaussian Blur. Add the Gaussian Blur effect to your numbers. Move to the Effects control and click on the position. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Do the same by the blurriness. Move your timeline slider to the end of the video clip, and by increasing the vertical position of your numbers, reach the last one. Hit the keyframe button for blurriness. Move your timeline slider to the middle of your video clip and change the value of the blurriness to 300. By the blue dimensions, select vertical. Select the rectangle mask by opacity, and of course adjust the mask based on your number. Change the value of mask feather to 100. Highlight 2 keyframes of the position. Right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation, and easy in. Again, right click of the mouse, temporal interpretation, easy out. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, guys. Put your like and subscribe.